This short in seconds, say what matters. Within a span of 24 hours, both the United States and China publicly claimed credit for helping end the brief but intense military confrontation between India and Pakistan that took place in May last year. These assertions, however, have been firmly rejected by New Delhi, which maintains that the de-escalation was achieved through direct bilateral channels without any third-party mediation. US President Donald Trump reiterated his claim during a meeting with Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu at his Mar-a-Lago residence on 29 December. Trump stated that he had settled 8 wars during his first year back in office, including the India-Pakistan standoff. His remarks were consistent with earlier claims in which he suggested that American diplomatic intervention played a decisive role in reducing tensions between the two nuclear-armed neighbors. A day later, China made a similar assertion. Speaking at a symposium in Beijing, Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi stated that China had mediated several global hotspots during the year, explicitly mentioning tensions between India and Pakistan. According to Wang, China's diplomatic engagement helped prevent further escalation and contributed to regional stability in South Asia. India, however, has categorically denied both claims. Officials in New Delhi have reiterated India's long-standing position that it does not accept third-party mediation in matters concerning Pakistan. According to the Indian government, communication channels between the two countries' military and diplomatic establishments were sufficient to manage the situation and bring about de-escalation. The competing claims by Washington and Beijing reflect a broader geopolitical rivalry, as both powers seek to project themselves as responsible global leaders and influential peacemakers. South Asia, given its strategic importance, has become a key arena for this diplomatic competition. While the India-Pakistan confrontation was short-lived, the international response to its resolution highlights how regional conflicts are increasingly framed within larger global power dynamics. For India, however, the message remains clear: bilateral engagement, not external intervention, was central to diffusing the crisis. Think business, think BizShort, tap to subscribe.